Okay, guys, on the 2nd of May, Chile was hit by an earthquake of magnitude 7.4. This earthquake hit Chile off the coast. It has happened on the 2nd of May. An earthquake of magnitude 7.4 hit off the coast of Chile. Fortunately, nobody was killed and there was no material damage. But if this earthquake was on land, it would have caused lots of damages. And the epicenter was under the ocean, like 173 miles, so that deep inside the ocean. Okay, guys, I knew something like this will happen in Chile. The actual magnitude of the earthquake was 7.4, and me, I dreamed that Chile will be hit by an earthquake of 7.2, so that was pretty close. But the only thing I got wrong is that I thought 1,700 people will be killed and injured. But if this earthquake hit inland, maybe there could have been lots of death. But the earthquake was off coast of Chile, so they were lucky. So I knew it, guys, that Chile will be hit by an earthquake of magnitude 7.2, and I dreamed that in October 2023, like I don't know, 1.5 year ago. Thank you for watching, guys. Please share it.